I'm Sue Hausman, and so many people ask me about what presser foot to use for what. There are so many different ones for your sewing machine. They can save you so much time. Look at your accessory user's guide to figure out what they're for and which ones you need. But I have a number lined up here, and in this class at the Martha Pullen School, we're actually doing piecing. We are making a wonderful quilt with Bargello piecing and decorative stitching on it, and so we're using an edge stitching foot. And of course our needles stop down, which makes it so much easier when you stop and holds it in place. But I have to tell you a funny story, because an edge stitching foot for heirloom or for quilting has this little guide on the side, and the fabric runs right along that guide and makes you sew straight and makes it so easy. But I had a sewer that makes mainly garments come up to me one day, and she said, Sue, for crying out loud, she said, the quilters have those edge stitching feet, they have the guides on the side, they have all these special feet. What about those of us that sew garments? Why don't you make a foot that has a flange at 5/8 seam allowance width, so that those of us that are sewing right sides together when we make a garment have the option of a guide foot. So how about that? A 5/8 seam guide foot to make perfect 5/8 seams every single time. Happy sewing!